Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, this is Tarvitillo and today we are creating this very beautiful intense glitter look. You can carry this look in any big event. I personally like to carry this look at night, and the best thing is that it goes with your western as well as traditional outfits. I'm going to show you very simple steps so that it is easy for you to learn. So let's get started. First, I'm taking PAC Spotlight Ready Concealer in shade 01 to clear the canvas of my eyes. We take a light color so that जो भी color लगाएं वो intense लगे और pop out हो. Also, we need a sticking base जिस पे eyeshadow अच्छे से stick हो सके. Plus इससे brow bone भी automatically highlight हो जाती है, so it gives a very clean look. Now I'm just dabbing the edges to even it out. Repeat the same process on the other eye. Next, I'm taking Morphe 39A palette. You can use any light brown color from any palette that you have. Almost सभी eyeshadow palettes में light brown color होता है और मैं इस color को अपनी crease line पे ले रही हूँ और इसको smoke out कर रही हूँ ऊपर की तरफ. I just wanted to touch my eye bone, but don't take it too upwards. The lightest color that we use is called the transition color. Next, I'm taking a darker brown and I'll deposit this color in my crease. Light brown color के साथ ज़्यादा merge नहीं करना. Basically, we are creating a brown smoky eye, so we have to go from light to darkest. When I'm doing a smoky eye, I like to use three colors. First a light color, then a medium dark, and then the darkest, which will sit on my lid. Now I'm taking the darkest color for my lid. I'm using this contour stick from K Beauty in shade Indulge. This crayon is little big for my inner eyes, so I'm taking a flat brush and उसपे थोड़ा सा color लेके I'm going towards my inner corners. As you can see, by doing this, the application becomes much more simple. Whenever I do a colored smoky eye, I use a colored pencil of that shade so that it looks intense, and moreover so that थोड़े time बाद color जो है वो fade out ना हो जाए. If you don't have colored eye pencil, you can use any black gel liner as a base. Next, मैं सबसे darkest brown ले रही हूँ अपनी palette से and I'm going on that crayon color. Reason being, creamy products को powder से set करना ज़रूरी होता है और this crayon was not the actual deep color which I wanted to use. मैं अच्छे से इसको lid पे deposit कर रही हूँ, making 180 degrees. Next, I'm taking a crease brush and just making a crease line so that my lid looks bigger. Now merging everything with my transition color so that there are no harsh edges. Next, I'm taking two glitters from Bombay Vanity. One is the champagne color, another is the bronze color. And then I'll take this glitter glue on the back of my hand and then start dabbing it on my lids. Now I'm taking the glitters on the flat fluffy brush and tapping off the excess and then start applying it from the center of my eyes. Don't apply a lot of glue at once, just keep on applying as and where you need it. I always like to pre-mix my glitters so that my glue doesn't dry out. I'm not putting any glitters on my lash line because then it becomes difficult to put the eyeliner. And anyways, we are going to hide it with our false lashes. starting with the middle and then going towards my corners. Now I'm taking a clean blending brush and just moving on the top of the glitters so that if any particle that has not stick properly can fall out. Next I'm taking a gel liner and lining my eyes. Now I'm taking some micellar water in the cotton pad and removing all the glitter fallout. So this is the complete look after the face makeup. Today I just wanted to focus on the eyes, so I got ready off camera. But lower eye makeup is left, so let's start that. I'm using a kajal on my waterline. And I'll come little closer to the camera to show you how I use the darkest color on my lower eye. You have to take the darkest color just the halfway and not till the inner corners of your eyes. Now I'm blending the edges of the dark brown color with the help of a transition color to complete the look. And it's done. Whenever you are in doubt, you can simply do this eye makeup to look all lit and glam. It makes small eyes look bigger and make big eyes look even more beautiful. I hope you found this look very simple, and if you liked it, then try it out and don't forget to tag me. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye bye.